Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to officially link your bank account with your Paxful account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful application on your device and log into your account using your credentials or your biometric if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the homepage. Now, if you wish to link your bank account, then first of all, you will need to verify your identity. Tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on Account Status. You will now see the verification option, which you can tap on, and you will be asked to choose your country first. Once you choose your country, you can choose your document type, and after you fill up all of your credentials, including your address and your postal code, you can proceed forward by tapping on the Proceed button. After this step, you will need to submit the photo of the document that you selected. After submitting the photo and proceeding forward, you will see the option to add your bank account. Choose your bank account and then enter your bank details, such as your account information, your account number and password. And once your information has been verified, it will be linked onto your Paxful account right away. You can then simply choose this from your list of payment methods every time you wish to make a trade. And there you have it. That is how you can link your bank account onto Paxful. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.